of course, leave it up to me to be making my outfit the day of. It doesn't even matter that I was working on this all day, because what matters is that I made the most important dress like a couple days ago. We're getting ready to go to my cousin's birthday dinner, and I custom made her birthday dress. I've been working on her dress for, I think I worked on it for a total of like maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks, because I really was just like picking it up and dropping it, you know, just because I knew it was going to be a long project. I don't really be like planning things out. Like I plan to a certain point, but for the most part, I just let the vibes take me where the vibes take me. And this is not how I, started it off, but this is where the vibes took me. And that's something I had to like play around with the past couple of days, past 3 days, I would say. But we're here now and it's so cute. I think this is so cute. Like, no, yeah, I'm totally obsessed. This like high-low moment, I have a little tail. And then me adding this gold chain on top of it, this chain belt, it's just like chef's kiss. Like this denim, black denim on crochet